Hey Manly, come here. I need you to take this up to Tyler's bed for me. Here you go.
We're doing pizza tonight and rib country. We like the brisket over there, and they have the best side salads. I mean,
Oh yeah, they have
their
really good
side salads are great.
We
Look
got
at that.
chicken back
You
there.
may not realize, but that thing is cold and crunchy.
Tonight we're making a Butterfinger cake. YouTube has suggested this video to me, like not the same video. I know at least two, it might have been three, but I know at least two different videos about this Butterfinger poke cake. So it's happening after I wash the dishes. Hey Nanny, can you go throw this in the trash for Mama? Oh yeah. Yeah, you make a good turkey call. Thank you. Tyler went to the gas station for me real quick to get a Butterfinger because we have to put one in the cake mix. And then after the cake finishes, while it's cooling down, we gotta go to Ingles because we need, I think it's sweetened condensed milk and caramel dessert topping. And we need whipped topping for the top too. Butterfinger.
Make sure it ain't gonna hurt them babies.
Y'all, here you test it.
I am not gonna put up with anything that
Do
will hurt
y'all
my kids.
remember Butterfinger BBs? Those were my favorite. Do you remember Butterfinger BBs? Don't lay a finger on my Butterfinger?
Yeah.
You remember?
Yeah.
They were great. We're just gonna mix this cake mix just like the box says, and we're gonna crush up the Butterfinger.
Oh, you have to have a chocolate cake?
Yes, chocolate cake. You crush up the Butterfinger and I'll get a bowl to mix up the cake mix.
Okay. All right, everybody, let's put this in. There we go.
So we're gonna make the cake mix just like the box says and add in all these crushed Butterfingers. Now when we go get the other stuff, we will need more Butterfingers to crush up that we're gonna sprinkle over the top. I got sweetened condensed
Sweet
milk.
condensed milk. Where's the sweet and condensed go, Mama?
After the cake bakes, it's what we poke it with. We poke it, we pour it over the top.
I'm not getting to do nothing right now. I'm having to wait.
Hey, you can be.
I am having to wait.
We need a cup of water.
Cup of water?
And 3 eggs.
3 eggs and some water.
And half a cup of vegetable oil.
Just 1 cup. This is a cup.
Yeah, that's fine.
That's a cup. Half a cup of vegetable oil.
Go ahead and pour in the Butterfinger. Do I have any flour in that right there?
Not enough, baby. I'm gonna pick this up so y'all can see what I'm fixing to do. Just like using a can of spray paint.
Now that's it for the cake. We're just gonna bake it just like regular. When it's done, we take it out. While it's cooling, we're gonna go to the store and get the sweetened condensed milk, the caramel dessert topping, and Cool Whip and Butterfingers.
Hey, y'all quit jumping, Steve. Mom's cooking the cake.
What is this, Andy Griffith show?
I don't know if it's true. I mean, Mama always told me when I was little not to be jumping in the house because it'd make the crack. I mean, I ain't saying she was saying it, you know, that's what she was told. So, I mean, she transferred that to me and I'm transferring it on. That's what I'm doing right now, everybody. Don't jump, bang, and all that because it might make the cake bust.
Yeah, Aunt B says make it fall.
Because some of y'all folks out there may not realize kids like to jump in the house.
Oh, they love to jump.
We did all kinds of stuff when I was little. I mean, we're talking about
Cartwheels, flips.
we loved baseball whenever I was little, me and my cousin. So at nighttime when we'd play baseball all day outside. And then at night when we'd come in, we would take something, most time it'd be like a pair of socks or something, and we'd roll them into a ball and play baseball in the house. And then, you use your hand for the bat. Good stuff.
here are the toothpicks. When the timer beeps, shake the cake in the thickest part in the middle, stick the toothpick in. If it comes out clean, then take the cake out. If you got batter on there, like looks like chocolate pudding on there, you know, it's not done yet. Set about a 5-minute timer and then check it again.
Okay.
If it comes out clean, even if it's crummy looking like a cake, it's fine. You don't want it to look like pudding.
Yeah.
Okay?
Oh, you need Butterfinger?
Caramel. Yeah, caramel dessert topping. Cool Whip. And
here's the Butterfingers right here. Need the mini size or the big ones?
yeah, I think mini, maybe a couple of packs.
Couple packs of the minis.
Yeah. Oh, they have more clearance items. This is always fun.
It always seems like the stuff that nobody wants though.
Yeah. Oh, they got some beef jerky.
This coffee stinks. When coffee don't smell good to you, there's something wrong.
Beef jerky for $3.49. Vanilla
Twinkies. Do
spice.
people still eat Twinkies? Y'all tell us out there. How many of you eating Twinkies still?
What is this? A little mini cinnamon French toast. What is that? Frosted Flakes cinnamon French toast.
That's weird.
Caramel topping right there. And Cool Whip. Oh yeah, Cool. The name brand's cheaper right now. It's $2.48. Two of them. That's it.
There you go.
Butterfinger cake interrupted momentarily.
We got an emergency situation with a horse's foot. I don't know what's going on with this horse, but they say the horse is having some trouble. We're not taking into consideration that I got to get up at 3 o'clock in the morning. We're
Chicken
not
houses?
worried about that at all.
Did we just pass chicken houses?
Yeah. I got some cattle I got to get up tomorrow, and we got to be at that farm at daylight. So we got to catch horses and get them saddled, and basically I got to get up at 3 o'clock. It's been a busy few days. One night I didn't hardly sleep at all. And that's just the way it works out sometimes. I'll sleep next week.
You coming too?
What happened is that horse over there probably kicked her in the leg or the shoulder or something. These are draft horse testers. No response. None. Horse ain't responding at all. Tester on this foot right here. More than likely, that horse over there kicked her in the leg or the shoulder or something. I tested her with these testers right here. You see she's walking down through there straight on fine. She is a little tight when she turns in a circle, but just horses.
Back to the Butterfinger cake. We're poking holes all in the cake. I'm using the end of this so that it can be pretty big holes because this stuff that we're gonna pour over it's gonna be pretty thick. Okay, we're pouring in the whole can of sweetened condensed milk. We're going with about half of this jar of the caramel topping. Okay, now we'll just put in...
What about the peanut butter, baby?
Yeah,
Put the peanut butter?
not yet. I'm gonna do about a tablespoon of peanut butter. Maybe 2 tablespoons, we'll see. Yeah, that should be good. Oh my goodness, do you smell
I
what
just
smell?
tasted it, baby.
Oh.
I went further than smelling.
Okay.
I tasted it.
And then you just pour it over and we'll gently spread it because we don't want to break up the cake. You could warm it, but we really don't want to warm it because I don't want to have to wait that much longer for it to cool.
Well, we wouldn't have to cool it, would we? I mean, just stick it in here for just...
Maybe 10 seconds.
Let's go, folks. Just quickly.
It's going to be better the longer it sits in the refrigerator.
Oh, yeah.
Look at those ripples. Ripples of goodness. That's what that is.
Trying my best to go in the line of fire. As you can see, I'm not just pouring, I'm actually trying to. You see what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. And then at the end, I may just start doing zigzags. Mm-hmm. I'll zigzag this thing all around this cake.
Some people were saying it was the best poke cake recipe ever.
Really?
And you know, we've tried a lot of poke cakes.
We have, and that strawberry one, it ain't no joke.
Mm-hmm. Now we'll gently spread here. Now we're gonna put on the whipped cream. And we got 2 of them, so if we need 2.
We're gonna use both of them. everybody, because we love Cool Whip. It has nothing to do with us being cool at all. We're not cool.
Okay, you finished spreading that?
Folks, there ain't nothing like teamwork here.
You know what I'm feeling?
What, baby?
I'm feeling.
What, little peeps? Okay.
Yeah, you can do peeps.
Peeps, folks, peeps don't take no talent. I'm just telling you, you can just start patting.
Oh, wait. Whoa. You're doing earthquakes.
Is that it, Mama?
That's fine. You're doing good. That's
Thank
good.
you.
That's great. I usually just use the back of a spoon, you know. What do you think about drizzling, warming this up and doing a little drizzle of this over the top?
That'd look pretty.
Let's just warm this up. We got some of the caramel left that we're just gonna drizzle it over the top and then sprinkle over the Butterfingers. Okay, now
So a little drizzle?
we don't want it to be globs now. We just want
Okay,
it like,
I know. I think I feel what you're saying here.
Right.
I'm thinking.
you need like go up high, go up high.
Folks, I'm going to do polka dots.
Now you got it. Now you got it.
Is that it? That it is. I'm getting the rhythm.
I was gonna kind of do it on the diagonal, but that's okay. You just do it. You
See,
do it.
I vision this.
Okay, that's
Is that good?
Yeah, that's good. See?
Everybody, there it is, right there. Lord have mercy, it almost looks like the serpent mound. Mama, what have we done? Look at this.
History Channel.
Mama, I didn't mean to put the serpent's head right here. Does anybody know what we're talking about out there?
Okay.
They say there's a mound that looks just like a snake from above. I didn't mean to do that.
Yeah.
We're going in with the good stuff. Mom, put a whole bunch on his head so we can't see him.
Okay. There we go.
There we go.
He's gone now. Can y'all imagine when this gets nice and cold?
Yep. They can tell you to eat air all they want to. Don't listen to them. Eat Butterfinger. Now, we don't see that caramel as good as we once did.
Right, but it's still
But
there.
it's still there, and we
Right.
all know
No,
it.
it's there.
That's it, everybody.
That's it. Y'all.
Yo, that is stinking good right there.
Yeah.
What?
Oh, did you see that little caramel pool?
Look at this thing. It would just sit on your fork just like this right here. Really, really delicious, y'all.
Jake, I'm gonna go ahead and cut you a piece right here.
That is probably the best poke cake so far, Mom.
Yeah. Manny, you want a piece? He asked if it had coffee in there.
Coffee? What do you think about it, Jonah?
That's his second piece already.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.